Namaste everyone, welcome to our second video. Today we will discover nouns. In previous video, what we learned, I will give you a quick recap. We learned about nouns. Nouns are naming words. They are of 5 types. And to see this, go to previous video. You will get the link in description. So today we will learn pronoun. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used at place of noun to avoid repetition. Example, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. So what are pronouns? Pronouns are words that are used at place of noun to avoid repetition. For example, Pranav is a good boy. Pranav is doing his homework. Pranav is going to play. So, what you see here common? Absolutely, Pranav. So, we can replace Pranav by using he because he is a boy. So, to avoid repetition, we use pronoun instead of place of noun. So, pronouns are of 8 types. Personal pronouns refers to a specific person. For example, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These refers to a specific person. Possessive pronoun shows ownership and possession. Possessive pronouns shows ownership to which things belong to. Example: this is Pranav's pen. Here Pranav is a noun, but we can replace it. This is his pen. Means his here is a possessive pronoun as it is telling the possession. Next, reflexive pronoun refers back to subject, in which it refers back to subject. Then demonstrative pronoun, it points out something. Example: this, that, these, those. This is a boy. Then interrogative pronoun, it absolutely asks question. Then relative pronoun, connects clauses. Indefinite pronoun refers to non-specific things. Here we do not point out someone like in personal pronoun. Then reciprocal pronoun. This shows mutual action, means a thing someone has done is also done by someone else in return. So before we move in details, like, subscribe and share the video and comment your doubts below and answer the exercise given. So let's move in detail. So here are details. So as I have told, the first one is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun refers to a specific person or thing. It has two cases, subjective and objective. So first we will understand the first line. The pronouns 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 refers to a specific person or thing, means these point out and are specific. It has two cases, subjective and objective. As we will learn in later videos, there are two parts in a sentence, subject and predicate. The subject is subjective case and in predicate there is objective case. So we will not move in details. So let's understand with some examples. Subjective is base and objective is when it moves to object size, when it do not have much focus. I, me. You will be you only. We, us. She, her. He, his. They, them. It, and it will also be it. Then let's move to possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns shows to whom things belong to. Actually, it shows possession. So the possessive pronouns are pronouns which shows possession. Example: it belongs to me or it is mine. So here the word mine, it is a possessive pronoun. More examples are mine. We have already seen it. My, which is also an objective, and it is also showing that something is my. Then there is showing that this is someone's, and theirs also means same. Here the word there only exists, and the word yours is not possessive pronoun. These are something else. So my, mine, and this is also not. Mine, theirs, and yours are more examples of possessive pronoun. So let's move to reflexive pronoun. So here are reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns refers back to the subject. Example, I will go there myself. So here it is showing that I will go somewhere. Myself means I will only go on uh, I have capacity to do this, so I will go there myself only. So it is referring back. So it is an reflexive pronoun, and it refers back to I. So more example are myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, themselves, himself, sorry, herself, and itself. Here you can see it is yourself and yourself. So you will ask, here I have cut the word which are singular and which are in objective case, but here yourself refers to singular, and yourselves refers to second, or two or more than two. So let's move on. Demonstrative pronouns. Pronouns are used to point out, point out, or to indicate a person or thing. We have a common table for it, as it has four pronouns. Only there are four examples. There are only four demonstrative pronouns, and there are no more, but there can be millions of sentences. So singular, there are this is like a square, like this, uh, and these all are of different colors. See here, singular, which means it's near, and it's used for singular, means uh, means it is used for means it is only used for one. And next it is that is singular, but it is used for far. For example, uh, for example I will say that this is near to me, and that is far to me. And here this comes, these are used for things which are two or more than two and near to me. For example, I will say these, and those are used for them which are plural and far to us. For example, this is used for plural, and it is far from us. Example, this is nice. So this is nice means the thing which is near to me, and it is singular, it is nice. And that is ship. Ship is singular. Ship is singular, but far from me. These are balls. These are plural, but near to me. Those were shops. Shops are plural, but far to me. So let's sorry, I forgot. Let's move to interrogative pronoun. So to being with us for this much, I thank you a lot. So please share it video and share it with your friends for your exam preparation. I hope you score 40 out of 40 or full out of full. So here are interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Example: what, who, why, and whose. So you will ask, these are words from WH family, but not to pronouns. So if I place instead of what, Pranav is your name, so I will also place it with my. Pranav is my name, or we will shuffle it. Uh, my name is Pranav, so we can raise a question. What is your name? So instead of what, here it will come Pranav. So let's give some more examples. What is your name? As I have already explained you. Who is your friend? Who is asking who is your friend? The name of friend will come here. Example: Pranay. Why was is leaking. What? Why was, actually here it will come it. Why it is leaking? Something is leaking and he is asking the reason for it. So instead of reason, we replace it by why. Whose pencil are these? So I explained you about demonstrative pronouns. So this is one homework for you. What is demonstrative pronoun? And tell me why it is used. Whose pencil are these? Whose is used for to ask, to show possession, but it is not a possessive pronoun. It is asking whose pencil is this. It is asking to show the pencil belongs to whom. So next, relative pronoun. Relative pronoun introduce a relative clause. Relative means which has something common, similar, or connect clauses which relates. I have explained example: who, whose, which, whom, and that. So there are more examples, and I am telling you some. Except the demonstrative pronoun. Example: this is my friend who meet you. Here it will come in. This is the friend who meet you in a party. It is relating that who is the friend who you meet in a party you already met. That is the man whose car is only black. These are relating between the man and the car. This is only the car which is red. This is relating between the car and the color which is red. So uh, these connects relative clauses or sentences. Then we came to indefinite pronouns. Refers to non-specific things or non-specific person, thing, or amount. Example: many, few, all, thing, etc. These are telling what we are talking about, but not exactly telling. For example, nobody clapped for the performance. It is not saying that Ramu, Shamu, etc. clapped for, but nobody clapped. It's including all but not telling the name. Several factors of water crisis are there. Several is an indefinite pronoun because it is telling that there are many factors but not mentioning that it. Many people watch but not subscribe the channel. So are you one of them? So if yes, so please subscribe and you will receive a reward. I wish about it. So many peoples. I am not mentioning that particularly you, he, she, or they did not subscribe and watch, but but I am telling that many people. Are you of many people, or uh, or very lucky, or very lucky to be in a small portion? So if you are in this small portion, you are lucky. So let's move to reciprocal pronouns. Eighth number is reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns expresses mutual action given or done something in return. Example, each other. Each another. Ram was fighting with Sham was fighting with Ram. It is telling that both were fighting. He was fighting with him. For example, A was fighting with B and B was fighting with A. So in short we can write it that A A and A and B were fighting. So in English we write it using Ram and Sham are fighting with each other. So here the each other is reciprocal pronoun. So hope you liked the video. Hit the like, subscribe and share button and comment your doubts and the answer, which is as your homework. And you should be a lucky person of who have subscribed. So bye bye and take care.